Hey, welcome to Bahasa Little Project. Selamat datang kembali di Bahasa Little Project. So first of all, let me congratulate you because you still have that power to learn more. And yes, that is a very, very good and important characteristic to have if you want to master something new, especially a new language. Okay, so number two, I would also like to thank you for purchasing this PDF and this audio explanation. And let me also remind you not to share this audio and this PDF to anybody else. Of course, if you want, you can recommend us so your friend, your family can also support us by purchasing our books and video lessons. Now, let's move on to the content of this audio explanation. So yeah, the purpose of this explanation is to give you some guidance, okay, with regard to the content of the book. Alright, so here we will give you more explanation about the context of the phrases or the idioms, and most importantly, we will give you the way and we will guide you slowly to pronounce the phrases, the sample sentences correctly in Bahasa Indonesia and Bahasa Bali. Of course, in order to do this optimally, you need to follow me, you need to engage with me, you need to learn actively. Meaning, don't rush, okay? Slowly learn one by one, maybe one phrase or one idiom per day. Okay? And then go out there and practice your new learned phrase or idioms or the simple and sample sentences. Okay, so remember that. Pause whenever necessary. Okay, practice with me, practice your pronunciation with me, and repeat more and more and more. And of course, I would suggest you to use this book as a supplementary to our video courses on Bahasa Indonesia or Bahasa Bali. If you want to know more, we have 10 levels of Bahasa Indonesia and Bahasa Bali. We also have conversational class for Bahasa Indonesia and for Bahasa Bali. And if you want to learn more about it, please email us at xspacebali@gmail.com. Alright, so that being said, now let's begin the essential 101 idioms and phrases in Bahasa Bali and Indonesia. Alright, number one is genius. Okay, genius is the English word. The Bahasa Bali word is yakti pradnyan. Yakti pradnyan. It's quite long. And the Bahasa Indonesia version is genius. It's quite similar to the English genius. Okay, again, the English is genius. The Bahasa Bali is yakti pradnyan. And Bahasa Indonesia is genius. So sample sentence here is, he is truly a genius football player. Bahasa Bali, ia mula seken pemain bola ne yakti pradnyan. Ia mula seken pemain bola ne yakti pradnyan. Okay? Bahasa Indonesia, dia memang benar-benar seorang pemain bola yang jenius. Dia memang benar-benar seorang pemain bola yang jenius. Okay? So yeah, that's number one. Number two, can complain. English. How are you feeling? I can't complain. Bahasa Bali, engken kabare, tiang sing ngidang ngomong apa? Tiang sing ngidang ngomong apa? So ngidang here is can't or cannot, right? And Bahasa Indonesia is apa kabar? Saya nggak bisa ngomong apa-apa. Saya nggak bisa ngomong apa-apa. Okay? Number 3. I have been busy. English. I have been busy lately. Sorry. Bahasa Bali. Tiang sibuk sajan. Tiang sibuk sajan. Belakangan niki. Ampura nge. So yeah, if you remember our video course on Bahasa Bali, or if you join our private class on Bahasa Bali, you would understand that nge here is an emphasis. Okay? An emphasis that you will almost always use if you want to give extra emphasis on whatever you are saying. So again, Bahasa Bali is tiang sibuk sajan belakangan niki. Ampura nge. Bahasa Indonesia, saya sibuk banget belakangan ini. Maaf ya, saya sibuk banget belakangan ini. Maaf ya. 4. I love you. English. I love you so much. Bahasa Bali. Tiang seken-seken tresna jak kamu. Tiang seken-seken tresna jak kamu. So I love you is tiang tresna jak kamu. So seken-seken here means so much. So again, I love you tiang tresna jak kamu. Bahasa Indonesia, saya mencintaimu dengan amat sangat. Saya mencintaimu dengan amat sangat. Number 5. I am disgusted. English, I was disgusted to see him yesterday. Bahasa Bali, senep basange nepukin yeibi. Senep basange nepukin yeibi. Remember, this phrase is very strong. Alright, so use it carefully. Alright, make sure that you use it in the right context. Because again, just like in English, this phrase is very strong. Okay, so yeah, bahasa Indonesia, pengen muntah aku lihat dia kemarin. Pengen muntah aku lihat dia kemarin. Again, caution, this phrase is very strong. So you need to be careful while using it. Number 6, I have no idea. I have no idea. English, I have no idea how to do that. Bahasa Bali, tiang sama sekali sing ngerti. Tiang sama sekali sing ngerti ken-ken carane to. Tiang sama sekali sing ngerti ken-ken carane to. So ken-ken sometimes is pronounced as ken-ken, so without the G. So both ken-ken or keng-ken is acceptable. So again, bahasa Bali, tiang sama sekali sing ngerti keng-ken carane to. Bahasa Indonesia, saya sama sekali tidak ngerti gimana cara melakukannya. Saya sama sekali tidak ngerti gimana cara melakukannya. So here you also realize that some of the Balinese word is actually a borrowed word from Bahasa Indonesia. So in this case, I think it is safe to say that Bahasa Indonesia, I think, never borrow anything from Bahasa Bali, but Bahasa Bali borrow a lot of words from Bahasa Indonesia. Number 7, I don't care. I don't care, go away. Bahasa Bali, tiang sing peduli. Tiang sing peduli, megedi. Megedi is also very strong. You are actually learning more than one phrase here. Go away, megedi is very strong. So again, you want to use it very carefully. Bahasa Indonesia, saya tidak peduli, pergi. Saya tidak peduli, pergi. Number 8, do you agree with me? Do you agree with me if we go to the beach now? Bahasa Bali, setuju sing, yen jani mejalan ke pasir. Setuju sing, yen jani mejalan ke pasir. And also try to pay attention to the accent if you can. If you can mimic my accent, you will sound just like a Balinese or just like an Indonesian. Bahasa Indonesia, setuju ndak kalau sekarang jalan ke pantai? Setuju ndak kalau sekarang jalan ke pantai? Number 9, do you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Bahasa Bali, ngerti sing. Very simple, right? Do you see what I mean is ngerti sing. in bahasa Bali. Ngerti sing? Or in bahasa Indonesia, ngerti ndak? Ngerti ndak? Okay. Number 10, think about it. Think about it, man. Bahasa Bali, coba kena hang beli. Coba kena hang beli. Bahasa Indonesia, coba pikirin mas. Coba pikirin mas. Again here, coba is a borrowed word from bahasa Indonesia. Number 11, no thanks. No thanks, I don't need it yet. Tenge, bahasa Bali, tenge suksma. Tiang konden perlu. Tenge suksma. Tiang konden perlu. Bahasa Indonesia, enggak ya, makasih. Saya belum perlu. Enggak ya, makasih. Saya belum perlu. Number 12, I'm single. Again, if you want to start a relationship with Indonesian, maybe this will be useful for you, right? I am single. And sample sentence is, I am still single. I am still single. Bahasa Bali, tiang nu pedidi. Pedidi actually means alone. Okay. But if you use it in a romantical context, if you are talking with your crush and both of you like each other or something like that, they will understand if you say tiang pedidi means that you are single. Not that you are alone. Okay. But you are single, romantically speaking. So here still is nu. Nu. Or masih in bahasa Indonesia. So again, I'm still single. Bahasa Bali, tiang nu pedidi. Tiang nu pedidi. Bahasa Indonesia, saya masih sendiri. Saya masih sendiri. 13, I am divorced. I am divorced, so I am free. Bahasa Bali, tiang bercerai. Tiang bercerai, jadi tiang bebas. Tiang bercerai, jadi tiang bebas. Bahasa Indonesia, saya sudah cerai, jadi saya bebas. Saya sudah cerai, jadi saya bebas. Number 14, that is the best that I could do. Bahasa Bali, kanggeangge wantah amunike praside antuk titiang. This is very polite, okay, but unfortunately very long phrase. But if you can say this, wow, you will sound like a very fluent Balinese, because not every Balinese can say this, especially the youngster. Because if you have joined our class, you would understand that youngsters in Bali tend to use more Bahasa Indonesia. So they don't really speak high Balinese or super polite Balinese. And this phrase is one of the super polite Balinese. So again, slowly, kanggeangge wantah amunike praside antuk titiang. Bahasa Indonesia, tolong maklumi ya, hanya itu yang bisa saya lakukan. Tolong maklumi ya, hanya itu yang bisa saya lakukan. Number 15, you cross my mind. Suddenly you crossed my mind yesterday. Bahasa Bali, jag tiba-tiba tiang inget jak kamu ibi. Jag tiba-tiba tiang inget jak kamu ibi. Bahasa Indonesia, tiba-tiba aja aku inget sama kamu kemarin. Tiba-tiba aja aku inget sama kamu kemarin. 16, you are my reason for living. Bahasa Bali, iluh alasan beline hidup. So iluh refer to the female, and beli of course refer to the male. So of course this is the male who is speaking and saying that you are. So here we replace you with iluh. Okay, so again, you are the reason, or you are my reason for living. Iluh alasan beline hidup. Okay, iluh alasan beline hidup. Iluh again is the female and beli is the male. So here is a male speaking to a female saying that you or iluh alasan beline hidup. Okay, bahasa Indonesia, kamulah alasanku hidup. Kamulah alasanku hidup. 17, you occupy my thoughts. Bahasa Bali, iluh terus ada di pikiran beline. iluh terus ada di pikiran beline. Of course, if a female speaking to a male, then you will reverse iluh and beli and it will become beli terus ada di pikiran iluhe. Beli terus ada di pikiran iluhe. Okay, you need to just reverse iluh or swap iluh and beli. Okay, bahasa Indonesia is kamu terus ada di pikiranku. Kamu terus ada di pikiranku. Number 18, I miss your smile. Bahasa Bali, tiang kangen jak kenyem kamune. Tiang kangen jak kenyem kamune. Bahasa Indonesia, aku rindu sama senyummu. Aku rindu sama senyummu. 19, I adore you. Bahasa Bali, tiang kagum jak kamu. Tiang kagum jak kamu. Bahasa Indonesia, saya kagum sama kamu. Saya kagum sama kamu. 20, you are everything to me. Bali, beli segalane buat tiang. Again, of course, this is a female speaking to a male. Beli segalane buat tiang. But now, if a male speaking to a female, it will become iluh segalane buat tiang. Or iluh segalane buat beli. Okay? So yeah, bahasa Indonesia, kamu adalah segalanya buatku. Kamu adalah segalanya buatku. 21, we appreciate the offer, but bahasa Bali, suksme antuk penawarane. Okay? So this is a typo, unfortunately. So not penawarene, but penawarane. So it is PENAWARA. Okay, RA, not RE. Okay, suksme antuk penawarane. Penawarane. Suksme antuk penawarane. Nanging. So nanging is a very high or polite form of but in bahasa Bali. So this phrase is also very polite in bahasa Bali. Suksme antuk penawarane nanging. Bahasa Indonesia, terima kasih atas penawarannya. Tapi terima kasih atas penawarannya. Tapi 22, I'm not really into it, but thanks for asking. Bahasa Bali, tiang sing begitu demen, tapi suksme nggih. Tiang sing begitu demen, tapi suksme nggih. So here we use the borrowed word of but, which is tapi. Tapi is a borrowed word from bahasa Indonesia. But in our previous phrase, we use nanging, right? Nanging again is a super polite way of saying but or tapi in bahasa Bali. Tiang sing begitu demen, tapi suksme nggih. Bahasa Indonesia, saya nggak begitu suka, tapi makasih ya. Saya nggak begitu suka, tapi makasih ya. 23, I'd rather not, thanks. Bahasa Bali, kayakne tiang ten nggih sukseme. Kayakne tiang ten nggih sukseme. Bahasa Indonesia, kayaknya saya tidak ya, makasih. Kayaknya saya tidak ya, makasih. Remember, it is very, very important for you to learn how to say nggih, nggih, nggih. Not ngih, but nggih. You need to pronounce the g in the middle. Nggih. Okay? Practice that. Because you will use this small word meaning yes all the time to give emphasis. 24, that's not going to work for me. Bahasa Bali, nika ten cocok jak tiang. Nika ten cocok jak tiang. Okay, maybe the context would be that maybe you are choosing a t-shirt or pants, and you are saying that t-shirt will not work for you, and then you need this phrase. Remember that context, that you may have several choices, and then you are telling your counterpart that some choices will not work for you. Then you can use this phrase in that context. So bahasa Indonesia would be, itu tidak cocok sama saya. Itu tidak cocok sama saya. 25, sounds fun, but I'm not available. Becik yen dingehang tiang, nanging tiang ten meresi dayang. Becik yen dingehang tiang, nanging tiang ten meresi dayang. Again, this is very polite Balinese. Bahasa Indonesia, kedengarannya bagus, tapi saya tidak bisa. kedengarannya bagus, tapi saya tidak bisa. And remember, in bahasa Indonesia, we do not have the super high form or super polite form. Most Indonesia just stay the same in every politeness level. But in bahasa Bali, we do have 3 level of politeness: super high, just normal, and rude bahasa Bali. And I think we will touch on some rude bahasa Bali here. So yeah, stay tuned. 26. That's so true. Bahasa Bali, benar sajan to. Benar sajan to. This is just normal bahasa Bali. Bahasa Indonesia, itu memang benar. Itu memang benar. 27. I beg to differ. Bahasa Bali, ampura, tiang ten setuju nge. This is quite polite. Ampura, tiang ten setuju nge. Bahasa Indonesia, maaf, saya tidak setuju. Maaf, saya tidak setuju. 28. That's terrible. Bahasa Bali, meh, jelek sajan. This is normal. Meh or meh, you can pronounce it as meh or meh. Meh, jelek sajan. Bahasa Indonesia, waduh, jelek sekali. Waduh, jelek sekali. 29. I'm so sorry to hear that. Bahasa Bali, tiang naler berduka cita nge. Tiang naler berduka cita nge. Remember to roll your R, okay, in bahasa Bali and bahasa Indonesia. And this is also very polite phrase. Bahasa Indonesia, saya turut berduka cita ya. Saya turut berduka cita ya. 30. Rest in peace. Bahasa Bali, amor ing ngacintia. This is a super polite, super high Balinese phrase. Amor ing ngacintia. If somebody die, if a friend pass away, and if you want to comment on Facebook, you can use this. Amor ing ngacintia. Or in bahasa Indonesia, semoga sudah tenang di alam sana. Semoga sudah tenang di alam sana. 31. Pardon. Bahasa Bali, sapunapi. Sapunapi. This is also very polite. Sapunapi. Sapunapi. Bahasa Indonesia, gimana? Gimana? 32. What do you mean? Bahasa Bali, maksud ragane sapunapi. Maksud ragane sapunapi. Bahasa Indonesia, maksudmu gimana? Maksudmu gimana? 33. Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand what I mean? Bahasa Bali, ngerti sing. Ngerti sing. Bahasa Indonesia, ngerti nggak? Ngerti nggak? I think this is similar to a phrase that we have learned previously, okay? 34. Is that clear? Bahasa Bali, sampun jelas nge? Sampun jelas nge? Bahasa Indonesia, sudah jelas ya? Sudah jelas ya? 35. I need a little help. Bahasa Bali, tiang perlu bantuan akide. Akide is again also very polite. Tiang perlu bantuan akide. Bahasa Indonesia, saya perlu sedikit bantuan. Saya perlu sedikit bantuan. 36. Could you do me a favor? Bahasa Bali, meresi dayang nulungin tiang ge. Meresi dayang nulungin tiang ge. Very polite. Bahasa Indonesia, bisa saya minta tolong ya? Bisa saya minta tolong ya? 37. Keep up the good work. Ngiring, bahasa Bali, ngiring lanturang sane becik-becik. Ngiring lanturang sane becik-becik. Bahasa Indonesia, yuk lanjutkan yang sudah baik. Yuk lanjutkan yang sudah baik. By the way, the bahasa Bali form is also very, very polite. 38. Long time no see. Long time no see. Bahasa Bali, mekelesan besing ketemu. Mekelesan besing ketemu. Bahasa Indonesia, lama sudah tak berjumpa. Lama sudah tak berjumpa. 39. What have you been up to? Bahasa Bali, sibuk ngujang gen jani. Sibuk ngujang gen jani. Bahasa Indonesia, sibuk apaan aja sekarang ini? sibuk apaan aja sekarang ini? 40. Do you mind repeating that? Do you mind repeating that? Bahasa Bali. Ampura, dados ulang malih pisan ge. Ampura of course means sorry. Ampura, dados ulang malih pisan ge. Maaf, bahasa Indonesia. Maaf. Boleh tolong ulang lagi sekali ya? Maaf, boleh tolong ulang lagi sekali ya? 41. Sorry, I did not catch that. Bahasa Bali. Ampura, sapunapi? Ampura, sapunapi? Bahasa Indonesia. Maaf, gimana? Bahasa Indonesia. Maaf, gimana? 42. I'm not happy about this. Bahasa Bali. Tiang sing demen yen cara kene. This is normal. Tiang sing demen yen cara kene. Bahasa Indonesia. Saya nggak suka kalau begini. Saya nggak suka kalau begini. 43. I have a vague recollection of. Bahasa Bali. Samar-samar ingetan tiange ja. Samar-samar ingetan tiange ja bla bla bla, right? You continue the sentence. Bahasa Indonesia. Saya tidak mengingat dengan jelas tentang. Saya tidak mengingat dengan jelas tentang. 44. It is a piece of cake. Don't worry, it is a piece of cake. Bahasa Bali. Denya CGT. CGT. We usually in Bahasa Indonesia, in Bahasa Bali, we use a lot of abbreviation. Ampura. Sorry. Excuse me. So yeah, in Bahasa Bali, in Bahasa Indonesia, we use a lot of abbreviation, especially for super popular phrases. Just like this one. So CGT is an abbreviation of Cenik Gaeto. Cenik Gaeto is obviously mean a piece of cake. Okay, so again, denya CGT. So you both can say CGT, or you can use the long version which is Cenik Gaeto. Denya Cenik Gaeto. Bahasa Indonesia, jangan khawatir, itu mah kecil. Jangan khawatir, itu mah kecil. 45. I'm starving. Oh shoot, I'm starving. Mihratu. So again, shoot here, you can use mihratu in Balinese. Mihratu, seduksan bahasa ngeno. Mihratu, seduksan bahasa ngeno. Bahasa Indonesia. Ya Tuhan, aku lapar banget. Ya Tuhan, aku lapar banget. 46. I am full. Thanks God, I'm full. Bahasa Bali. Suksma yang widi. So, Hyang Widi is God in Balinese, or in Hinduism in Balinese. Okay, so again, thanks God. Suksma yang widi. Suksma is of course thanks, right? So yeah, thanks God. Suksma yang widi. Tiang bewareg. Tiang bewareg. Remember, pay attention to that G at the end. Wareg. Bahasa Indonesia, terima kasih Tuhan. Tuhan is God. Saya sudah kenyang. Saya sudah kenyang. 47. No matter what happens, I'm going to. Bahasa Bali, apapun ne terjadi, tiang lakar. Apapun ne terjadi, tiang lakar. Bahasa Indonesia, apapun yang terjadi, saya akan. Apapun yang terjadi, saya akan. 48. I was in traffic jam. Bahasa Bali, tiang kejebak macet. Tiang kejebak macet. Bahasa Indonesia, saya kejebak macet. Saya kejebak macet. 49. No, you have got it wrong. Bahasa Bali, ten ragane pelih. Pelih is wrong. Bahasa Indonesia, tidak, kamu salah. Ten ragane pelih. Bahasa Bali. Bahasa Indonesia, tidak, kamu salah. 50. My back is against the wall. Bahasa Bali. Tiang singidang ngujang. Tiang singidang ngujang. A lot of nasal here. Tiang singidang ngujang. Every word is a nasal sound. Bahasa Indonesia. Saya nggak bisa melakukan apapun. Saya nggak bisa melakukan apapun. 51. Under the weather. I think I'm under the weather. Bahasa Bali, tiang je jelek san bayune. Tiang jeg jelek san bayune. So whenever you have G at the end, like jug, sometimes you can pronounce the G as K. So you can pronounce this as jug or je. Tiang je jelek san bayune. Bahasa Indonesia, kayaknya saya masuk angin. Masuk angin means under the weather. Kayaknya saya masuk angin. 52, better late than never. Bahasa Bali, lungan terlambat daripada sing sama sekali. Lungan terlambat is late, daripada sing sama sekali. Bahasa Indonesia, lebih baik terlambat daripada tidak sama sekali. 53, get out of control. Don't let it get out of control. De kanti lepas kendali na. De kanti lepas kendali na. Bahasa Indonesia, jangan sampai lepas kendali ya. Jangan sampai lepas kendali ya. So this is an example where the Bahasa Indonesia phrase and also the Bahasa Bali phrase is exactly the same. Okay, again, this is to give you another example that we Balinese borrow a lot of word from Bahasa Indonesia. 54, to be dude, don't be so hard on him. Okay, to be so hard on someone, right? Dude, don't be so hard on him. Bahasa Bali, beli, de je bes keras. So bes keras is to be so hard. Ja ye is on him. Okay, so to be so hard is bes keras. Beli, de je bes keras, ja ye. Bahasa Indonesia, mas, janganlah terlalu keras. Terlalu keras again is to be so hard on. On him is sama dia. Mas, janganlah terlalu keras sama dia. 55. Step up one's game. For tomorrow, you should step up your game. Bin mani lungang nake bin pegaine. Bin mani lungang nake bin pegaine. Bahasa Indonesia, buat besok tingkatin dong lagi performamu. Buat besok, tingkatin dong lagi performamu. 56, leave out in the call. I was left out in the call yesterday by her. Bahasa Bali, tiang sing runguange. This is quite hard, I guess. Tiang sing runguange, ibi ja ye. Bahasa Indonesia, aku nggak dihiraukan sama dia kemarin. Aku nggak dihiraukan sama dia kemarin. 56, run. I just ran around in circles yesterday. Bahasa Bali, tiang jeg bola bale ibi. Pay attention again to the accent if you can. Tiang je bola bale ibi. Tiang je bola bale ibi. Bahasa Indonesia, saya kemarin muter-muter nggak jelas. Saya kemarin muter-muter nggak jelas. 58, I don't care whatever floats your boat. Bahasa Bali, Chang sing peduli. Ken je kena cine. This is again very strong and can be rude, especially chi. Chi means you, but chi is very rude. You only use it if you are angry or if you are speaking to a super close friend or relative. Okay, so again, use this with caution. You need to know the context and you need to know to whom you are speaking or addressing this phrase to. Okay, so again, Chang sing peduli. Ken je kena cine. So peduli, if you remember in the previous phrase, we use peduli, but an alternative spelling is also peduli. So you just drop the R. So bahasa Indonesia, aku nggak peduli, terserah kamu saja. Aku nggak peduli, terserah kamu saja. 59. Do you believe him? I don't buy it. Bahasa Bali, ragane percaya jak ye. Tiang sing percaya, ragane percaya jak ye. Tiang sing percaya. Bahasa Indonesia, kamu percaya sama dia? Aku nggak percaya. 60, once in a blue moon. It happens, but once in a blue moon. Bahasa Bali, terjadi, nanging jarang sajan. Terjadi, nanging jarang sajan. Bahasa Indonesia, terjadi, tapi sangat jarang. Terjadi, tapi sangat jarang. 61, caper. Caper mean flirting. Caper is bahasa Indonesia. So here again the English is, dude, you should stop flirting. Time to be serious. Bli, suud je ngalih perhatian. Gen, kenehang de ngaberaga. Okay, so bahasa Bali caper is ngalih perhatian. Okay, or flirting. Bli, suud je ngalih perhatian. Gen, sekenang de ngaberaga. Bahasa Indonesia, Mas, udah deh caper aja kerjaannya. Serius dikit lah. Okay, so flirting in bahasa Bali is ngalih perhatian, and in bahasa Indonesia is caper. 62, basa-basi. Okay, stop talking nonsense. Let's do science. Bahasa Bali, suud je ngomong kaje kelod. So ngomong kaje kelod is talking nonsense in bahasa Bali. Melajah sains malu. Bahasa Indonesia, udahlah basa-basi, yuk belajar sains. Udahlah basa-basi, yuk belajar sains. So yeah, exaggerating in bahasa Bali is lebihan. Bahasa Indonesia is lebay. So don't say that you are exaggerating. Beh, de ngomong keto, bes lebihan to. Beh, de ngomong keto, bes lebihan to. In bahasa Indonesia, jangan ngomong gitu, kamu lebay ah. Jangan ngomong gitu, kamu lebay ah. Okay, I am broke. Okay, I am broke in bahasa Bali is singlah panak meong. Singlah panak meong. Or in bahasa Indonesia is bokek nih. Bokek nih. So what should I do now? I am broke. Apa mak gaine jani? Singlah panak meong. Apa mak gaine jani? Singlah panak meong. Duh, gimana dong sekarang? Aku bokek nih. Bahasa Indonesia. Duh, gimana dong sekarang? Aku bokek nih. 65, baper. Baper is take it to heart in English. Okay? Baper also used in bahasa Indonesia and also bahasa Bali. You should take it easy, don't take it too hard. Okay? Bahasa Bali, biasa genah debes baper gitu. Biasa genah debes baper gitu. Bahasa Indonesia, biasain aja keles. Biasain aja keles, jangan baper gitu deh. 66, take it easy. Take it easy is santai gen in bahasa Bali and santai aja in bahasa Indonesia. Nah, de sange-tangesan, santai gen. Bahasa Indonesia, ya ndak usah dipikirin, santai aja. To hit the books in bahasa Bali is melajah malu. Melajah malu in bahasa Indonesia is saatnya belajar. Raga ujian manino, melajah malu dek. Raga ujian manino, melajah malu dek. Bahasa Indonesia, besok aku ada ujian loh. Saatnya belajar. 68. Hell no. Au, singnya. That's bahasa Bali. Or in bahasa Indonesia, nggak mau pokoknya. Tiang kemu jak pedidi gitu. Au, singnya. Bahasa Indonesia, aku kesana sendiri. Aku nggak mau pokoknya. Pang Cinawang, again, Ci here, it signs that this is a strong phrase. Just so you know, in bahasa Bali is Pang Cinawang. In bahasa Indonesia is asal kamu tahu. Okay? Pang Cinawang, Cang Jani nak bersiap melajah. Asal kamu tahu ya, aku sekarang sudah siap belajar. 70. This is an idiom actually. Mekunyit di alas. Okay, is a Balinese idiom for to meet up. Or in bahasa Indonesia, ketemuan. Beli nyoman, yuk mekunyit di alas. If you want to ask or invite a friend to meet up, you can say that. Beli something, yuk mekunyit di alas. Or mas something, mas nyoman, lama tak bersua. Yuk ketemuan. Yuk ketemuan. 71. If you want to say upset, in bahasa Bali is sebet. Okay, in bahasa Indonesia is kesel. Ngidih pelih raga, sun nake sebet. Aku minta maaf ya, jangan kesel lagi dong. Or dung, aku minta maaf ya, jangan kesel lagi dong. Hit the sack in bahasa Indonesia is tidur dulu. Or in bahasa Bali is sirep malu. Me, capek tuh. Sirep malu, me. Ibu capek tuh. Tidur dululah, Bu. Ibu capek tuh. Tidur dululah, Bu. 73. No brainer in bahasa Bali is cenik gae tuh. Mah gampang tuh is something that we have discussed, right? Cenik gae tuh. Kekinian is cutting edge. Okay, so if you want to say cutting edge in bahasa Bali is kekinian, and in bahasa Indonesia is also the same, kekinian. Genah belajar Inggris nih paling kekinian, mai ke Express Bali. Tempat belajar Inggris paling kekinian, ayo ke Express Bali. 75. Are you nuts in bahasa Bali is buduh cine. Again, ci is a sign that it is a strong phrase. Buduh cine. Suud bercanda gen, melajah malu. Bahasa Indonesia, kamu sudah gila ya? Jangan bercanda mulu, belajar gih. Sing ada apa is not much. Not much in bahasa Bali is sing ada apa, and in bahasa Indonesia is nggak ada apa. Sibuk ngujang jani lo. Sing ada apa beli? Sibuk ngapain sekarang? Nggak ada apa nih mas. So again, this is a conversation obviously, right? Alon-alon is take your time. So if you want to say take your time, in bahasa Bali is alon-alon, and in bahasa Indonesia is pelan-pelan. Alon-alon melajah IELTS, mula perlu persiapan melah. Pelan-pelan belajar IELTS, memang butuh persiapan. Okay, number 78, greget. Super cool. If you want to say super cool, in bahasa Bali is greget. In bahasa Indonesia is keren banget. Banget is abbreviation of the BGT is banget. So again, iluh jag greget sajan pas ngorang rumus E sama dengan MC 2 kuadrat. Kamu kelihatan keren banget pas bilang rumus E sama dengan MC kuadrat. Rahajeng, you will use this a lot in bahasa Bali. So happy something is rahajeng in bahasa Bali. Or selamat in bahasa Indonesia. Semeton, rahajeng warse anyar, ngiring ajegang pikayune. Bahasa Indonesia, teman-teman, selamat tahun baru. Saatnya jadi keren. Selamat tahun baru. 80, gaje. Gaje is a flip-flopper. If you want to say a flip-flopper, in bahasa Bali is gabeng. In bahasa Indonesia is gaje. Beli sing dadi keto jak tiang. Adi jak gabeng keto. Kamu nggak boleh gitu dong. Kok gaje banget sih? That's of course the Indonesian version. Di 81, you rock. You rock is mantap ajan. Bahasa Bali. Or mantap kali bahasa Indonesia. Clay. Clay is like wow. Clay mantap ajan cijanino. Mantap ajan cijanino. Ci. Again, this is a very strong phrase, okay? So be careful. Wah, mantap sekali kau sekarang ya. Mantap sekali kau sekarang ya. 82. A pain in the ass in bahasa Bali is ngedegin. Ngedegin. In bahasa Indonesia is buat aku kesel. So, beli, sud je ngedegin cara kene. Mas, bisa nggak sih stop buat aku kesel? 83. Menjempong bebek is a Balinese idiom meaning get upset. Okay? Loh, bahasa Bali, loh, denake terus menjempong bebek. Bahasa Indonesia, oh sayang, jangan ngambek lagi dong. 84. Feel blue. To feel blue is nak nu sebet in bahasa Bali or lagi sedih tuh in bahasa Indonesia. Iluh nak nu sebet, ane demenina megedi ajak nak len. Dia lagi sedih tuh gebetannya sama orang lain. 85. Bored to death in bahasa Bali is Raga merasa bosen ajan. So bored to death is bosen ajan. Bosen ajan. So I'm bored to death. Raga merasa bosen ajan no. In bahasa Bali or in bahasa Indonesia, aku kok merasa bosen sekali ya. Aku kok merasa bosen sekali or kali ya. Yuk jalan-jalan. Yuk jalan-jalan is let's hang out or yuk melali in bahasa Bali. So yeah, here at the 6 we give you a proverb. So I'm going to just tell you how to say it. Ede ngaden awak bisa, depang anake ngadanin. So usually for proverb in bahasa Bali we use high language. Okay, so again 86, ede ngaden awak bisa, depang anake ngadanin. And you can read the meaning. Number 87, apologize genah. So here we actually borrow a word from English. Tiang nak besud ngenehang masa lalu. Jani ker fokus jak masa depan. Tiang nak besud ngenehang masa lalu. Jani ker fokus jak masa depan. Ede melajah IELTS, number 88. Ede melajah IELTS pedidi, berat. Kamu nggak akan kuat. Mih melajah aja X-Space Bali Gen. Ede melajah IELTS pedidi, berat. Kamu nggak akan kuat. Mih melajah aja X-Space Bali Gen. This is actually a phrase very very popular from a movie called Dilan. So if you search Dilan on Google, you might find this phrase. 89, kegagalan mula nyakitan keneh. Tapi nu jelekan sing taen nyoba untuk berhasil. Okay, kegagalan mula nyakitan keneh, tapi nu jelekan sing taen nyoba untuk berhasil. That's of course, by the way, all the phrases just now are in Balinese. Okay, the Indonesian form you can find at the bottom of the picture. Okay, so here like number 89, the bahasa Indonesia version is kegagalan memang berat, tapi masih lebih buruk jika tidak pernah mencoba untuk berhasil. The 88, let me just teach you how to say it. 88 bahasa Indonesia is jangan belajar IELTS sendiri, berat, kamu nggak akan kuat. Yuk belajar sama X-Space Bali aja. And 87 bahasa Indonesia is maaf ya, aku udah nggak mikirin masa lalu. Sekarang aku akan fokus untuk masa depan. And 86 is jangan merasa diri bisa. Biarkan orang lain yang menilai. So yeah, there you go. I just want to make sure that I'm telling you all the pronunciation. Number 90, celebingkah batan biu, gumilinggah ajak liu. Ngiring sarang-sarang melajah toleransi. This is again a phrase in High Balinese. Di dunia, this is the bahasa Indonesia form. Di dunia yang dihiasi dengan indahnya keberagaman, ayo sama-sama belajar bertoleransi. Of course, you already know the English by reading the translation. 91, sing dadi ban gedenin munyi gen. Harus ada usaha nake, marenya percaya, ten keto beli. Again, this proverb is very very advanced, so this is maybe just for fun for you guys. You do not need to memorize all this. The bahasa Indonesia is, yah, jangan aja di bibir saja dong. Ayo kita kerja keras dan buktikan. Semangat. 92. Jani Valentine besud, coklat betelah, bunga belayu, dompet bekempes. Jani kangwang sarapan cinta. This is more like a poem. The Indonesian version, cinta itu bukan hanya untuk hari Valentine saja. Yuk belajar menyayangi dan menghormati sesama setiap hari. 93. Iklasang bang beme. So I think the M there is cut, so it is M-E, okay? M-E-J-A-L-A-N. Mejalan. Iklasang bang bemejalan. Doakan gen dumada pada man anelungan. The bahasa Indonesia, ikhlaskan, biarkan sudah pergi. Doakan saja, semoga sama-sama mendapatkan yang lebih baik. Again, for this proverbs, I don't think you want to memorize all this because it's too long and perhaps too advanced. So maybe just for fun and you can learn some word from it. 94. Tresna to sing je tentang jegeg bagus gen. Tresna to tentang melajah ngertinin hati. The bahasa Indonesia, cinta itu bukan hanya tentang menyukai atau mengagumi. Cinta itu tentang usaha untuk saling mengerti, apapun itu. 95. De menyerah jani, lanjutang bin bede gen. Nyenawang mani kicen apa ne ke alih. Bahasa Indonesia form, jangan nyerah dulu, lanjutin lagi dikit. Siapa tahu besok kamu dapat apa yang kamu cari. Again, this is very, very advanced. So I just want to give you some idea of the phrases, idioms, right? And also proverb and some poems in Bahasa Indonesia and Bahasa Bali. 96. Ada ngeling ulian besud, kenyemin ulian ipidan tain ade. I think this is also very popular in English. Bahasa Indonesia, jangan menangis karena usai. Tersenyumlah karena pernah terjadi. So yeah, 97. This is a phrase again. Tiang lulus meaning that I am graduated in English. Okay, so here the English is Mom, I'm done with high school. So the Balinese is me. Mom is me. Me, tiang lulus. And then the mother say, terus engken, besud nagih pis jani, selegang malu melajah. And the bahasa Indonesia, Ma, aku lulus. Terus, udah ndak minta uang jajan lagi sekarang. Terus semangat belajar ya. So yeah, number 98, mebanten. Mebanten is very, very popular phrase in Bahasa Bali. Mebanten is meaning to do offering. Besud mebanten. Have you done the offering? Or in Bahasa Indonesia, sudah menghanturkan banten. Beme kayaknya bersiap nganten jani. Sudah mah kayaknya sudah siap nikah sekarang. Again, this is very advanced joke and phrases, and if you don't understand any of this, I should suggest you to join our premium course and video lessons or our conversational class to discuss this further. Okay? Number 99, ngujang repot. This is again another advanced joke. Okay, but let me just tell you the pronunciation. Bahasa Bali, Pak, ije tongos luung melajah bahasa nggih. Ngujang repot ngalih jag di ekspres Bali melajah. So why bother? Why bother is ngujang repot in Bahasa Bali. And in Bahasa Indonesia is ngapain repot. Pak, di mana tempat belajar bahasa yang keren di Bali? Ngapain repot nyari? Belajar aja di ekspres Bali. Astungkara means God bless. Very, very, very common in Bahasa Bali. So if you say, if you're speaking to anyone or chatting to anyone, just use Astungkara if you want to say God bless. So here, me Gunung Agung erupsi bin, ne janis trombolian, Astungkara, samian jagi rahayu ngiring waspada. So again, this is a super high and advanced Bahasa Bali. Bu, Gunung Agung erupsi lagi. Bahasa Indonesia, kali ini strombolian. Semoga Tuhan melindungi dan keadaan menjadi lebih baik. Tetap waspada. And the last one is sing ada apa no? Not much, you know. Again, is a quite advanced phrase. Keng kabare beli, semangat nae. Sing ada apa no? Not much. Nah, nejani harus lebih baik. Or di Bahasa Indonesia version, apa kabar mas? Semangat dong. Segini-segini aja nih. Ya, sekarang harus lebih baik. So yeah, that's all. I hope that you have learned a lot, especially if you are a basic student. I think the first 60 or the first 80 will be very, very useful for you. And after that, from 86 to 101 is quite advanced, to just give you a taste of how advanced joke or advanced poem or advanced phrases in Bahasa Bali and Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, obviously again, from 1 to 85, you can use it like tomorrow. But to understand 86 to 101, if you are confused, don't worry. I would suggest you to join our premium class or video courses or our conversational class. If you have any question about it, please email us, and I hope to see you soon in our next lesson. Terima kasih. Thank you. Suksema.